Now I am going to show you few important questions related to area of circle. So let us see what are the questions. Now let us see these questions. You have to find the area of shaded region. In the first figure, this is a square. Mark it A, B, C, D. So this is a square and this part BA, PC is a quadrant and ADCQ is also a quadrant. Then we have to find area of shaded region. So just see how this figure can be completed and how to find area of shaded region. Just see this one. First you find area of this quadrant. You find area of this quadrant, then area of this quadrant. If you complete this figure like this, just see, it would be easier for you to understand. If you find area of this quadrant, that means you have just got this one. If you find area of this quadrant from this side, this quadrant, you get area of this one. You might be seeing that this area is overlapping. So after finding area of these two quadrants and adding, you will get area of a square plus area of this region. So just to get area of shaded region, you add the quadrant and this second quadrant and then remove area of a square. You will get the shaded region. And since this year you are going to face MCQ type question, so it will be much easier if you find the answer directly. It will take less time as well as the answer will be much more accurate and correct. So area of shaded region for this figure is equals to area of quadrant, means 2 into area of quadrant. Both the quadrant will have same area, BAPC and DCQA. So twice area of quadrant minus area of square ABCD. So area of two quadrant is equals to 2 into 1 by 4 pi r square. R will be equal to 14 minus 14 into 14. So just take common 14 square. You get 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 minus 1. This gives 196. 22 minus 14 by 14. So 14 is 196. You get 14 into 8, 112 centimeter square. In this way, you got the area of shaded region. Again, in the second figure, you just see how this figure is completed and how to find area of shaded region. You just see in rough diagram. If you find area of this semicircle and area of this semicircle, so you get area of this figure and area of this figure after adding area of these two semicircles. Again, I take two more semicircles on this side and this side. In this way, you get area of this one. Again, you just observe the figure that in the whole figure, this region, this shaded region is overlapped. That means if you get area of this semicircle, this semicircle, this semicircle and this semicircle, that means area of 4 semicircles on 4 sides, you will get complete figure, but this shaded region is overlapped. That means if you add the area of 4 semicircle and then remove the area of square, you will get the shaded region. So what will be the area of shaded region in this figure? Area of shaded region is equals to area of 4 semicircles minus area of square. So area of 4 semicircle is equals to 4 into 1 by 2 pi r square minus side square, and here r square is equals to 14 square. Again you take 14 square common, 2 into 22 by 7 into 196. Since we have taken 14 square common, so we are left with 2 pi minus 1. So 196, 44 minus 7 by 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 into 56, 28 into 37. So just multiply 37 into 28, you will get